Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you are looking for an electric chainsaw, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our electric chainsaw and what all it does, what all comes with this? And so who am I to say no? In no way whatsoever but this being provided to me affect this review, because I am here to keep it real. So this is what you get inside the box. You have a 21 volt lithium ion electric chainsaw. So you get your chainsaw, you get you get two. You get two lithium batteries, just like this. And at first glance, I like the box, so I would keep the box from a storage standpoint. You get two batteries, you get a small Phillips screwdriver, get a way to charge the batteries. With your charger. You get a extra chain because there's already one on it, as you can see right there. You get an extra chain, a little backup chain. You get a little ratchet here. So this is going to be if you're going to need to change your blade right here. You're going to loosen this up. Very easy to do. Make sure the battery is not plugged in. This comes off. And then the chain is easy to just take this one off if you want to put the new one back on. When swapping out the blade, after you take the plate off the bottom that I just showed, you would use the provided screwdriver, and there's a screw right here, which is your tensioner. You loosen that up, this gets loose and comes right off. It also comes with lubricating chain oil, nice and convenient. It does come with a chain guard right here, spring loaded. That's nice and convenient. You do have your lock right here. The battery slides in here. Gives you a light that has got a little juice. You're gonna press this down. Whoa. That's pretty legit. I will note that this particular chainsaw comes with an automatic cool down safety feature. So if it gets too hot, maybe you're just using it way too much, to save the life of the motor and the battery, it has the automatic cool down period, which will cool down temporarily, and then you can go back to using it. Now the cutting diameter right here is about 6 to about 6.5 inches. Charging is very straightforward. You have a plug hole right here that comes with the provided charger. When this turns green, you have a full charge, and depending on how much of the battery has been drained, it can take up to 2 hours from a completely dead battery to charge this all the way up. So you got two batteries. So usually you're gonna charge one while you're using one and vice versa. So you pretty much always have a charge ready to go. The power is concerned, this chainsaw is gonna cut through things as thick as you wanna cut based on the size of the blade. So in this example, these are some pretty significant pieces of wood, and this piece of wood right here is roughly 5 inches in diameter, and it just cuts right through it. So if you're looking for a chainsaw that's electric, that's got 21 volts of power, comes with all the stuff that you just saw in the video. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.